Welcome to Thrice Learning. Hello, angels. Welcome to another fun learning experience with Teacher Jasmine. For today's lesson, you are going to learn about another vowel and its sound, the letter I. Letter I says I, I, I. I, I, I. Say the sound of letter I, letter I, letter I. Say the sound of letter I, 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 I. Letter I says I, 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 I. Letter I says I, I, I. Say it with me.
Letter I. Big I, little I.
Here are the words with the initial sound of I. I is for iguana. I, iguana. I is for ink. I, ink. I is for insect. I, insect. I is for igloo. I, igloo. I is for Indian. I, Indian. I is for in. I, in. I is for inside. I, inside. E is for eel. I, eel. It's thinking time. Match the picture to its name. Which is an iguana? Which one is eel? Which is an insect? Which is an igloo? Which is an ink? How was the activity today? Did you get the correct answers? If yes, good job. If no, thumbs up for trying your best. Thank you for listening today, and remember to practice reading daily.